Brian's in the bathroom right now checking out the lady. It should ring here in a second. Where does it ring from? Over there? Rings up here, huh?
Yeah.
So the bathroom's way back there. When you open that box, it rings out here at the bar to tell everybody that you're looking at the box. I love it. So far, he's resisted the temptation.
Yeah.
He's being strong.
Yeah.
I keep waiting for it to happen. Brian hasn't opened Pandora's box yet.
Oh my goodness.
I'll show you the video here in a second. I keep waiting for him. I'm videotaping right now. I keep waiting for him to.
Ooh, it's different, very gingery.
Oh, good.
It was different.
Very good. As soon as I turn this video off, it's going to ring.